Ayon sa March 2026 MLS Housing Market Report, bumaba ang bilang ng mga home sales sa Metro Vancouver ng 3% kumpara nung nakarang taon. Ayon sa isang real estate agent mula British Columbia, marami raw dahilan kung bakit bumababa ang bilang ng mga buyer o taong naghahanap ng bahay.
We're seeing a lot of student pathways not getting the PR. So because BC, for example, BC, especially BC, we are not selling to non-PR or non-Canadian citizen, or even if they're on work permit and they're not yet PR, they still have to pay that foreign tax. So what I'm noticing is that the number of buyers really went down because of all these laws.
Kumpara sa 10-year seasonal average, mas bababa ng 30% ang bilang ng home sales sa Metro Vancouver. Uso ra ngayon ang wait-and-see approach sa merkado, lalo na raw sa sellers.
Not desperate to sell, they're waiting for the market to turn, they're holding their cards, and they're just not selling desperately. So if you look, there are good bargains to be had, but good areas like West Side, Kitsilano, Cole Harbor, they're still holding their prices.
Dahil unti-unting tumataas ang fixed interest rates at ang presyo ng gasolina, importante raw ngayon sa mga bumibili ng bahay na malapit ito sa kanilang trabaho at pamilya.
During COVID, a lot of the places in Fraser Valley, we were really doing well, like Langley, Surrey, Maple Ridge. They don't mind the drive. But then now they're really staying close to where their families and where their work.
Napapansin din daw ni Ing na mas mababa ang bilang ng mga araw para sa home showings na gusto ng mga kliyente.
Everyone's trying to like make tipid kahit papaano. So if we're trying to see more places, we try to do it all in one go instead of hiwalay-hiwalay.
Nung Marso, pumalo sa $700,000 ang average na presyo ng mga apartment sa Metro Vancouver at higit $1.8 million naman para sa isang bahay o detached home. Teresa Barara, Omni News, Vancouver.